Welcome to Present Trade tutorial on how to add signs and create custom signs to your road drawings using AutoSign software. First, open your CAD program and go to the AutoSign tab. Here, select the Library Management button. For this tutorial, we'll use the American Library. Select it and confirm with OK. Click on Traffic Sign to start adjusting the sign you want to add to your drawings. By clicking on this setting button, you can choose your preferences of the sign you want to add. Then choose the sign and place it wherever you want. If you need multiple copies of the same sign, use the copy feature to duplicate and position it as needed. To move it, click on Move button. To modify a sign, select the Edit button followed by the sign you wish to adjust. This action will open a window enabling you to alter various settings of the sign, such as its X and Y scale, rotation, and other parameters. What if you want to add your custom sign? First, prepare the AutoCAD for drawing by clicking right-click and choosing Options, then go to Open and Save tab and make sure it will save your drawing as AutoCAD drawing with extension .dwg, then start drawing the sign you want to add. Once your design is ready and saved, go back to the Library Management button, but this time select the User Customized Library option. Create a new library for your custom signs and give it a name. Within your new library, you can add a new group for better organization. After creating and selecting your group, add your custom sign by clicking the Add New Signs button, then select it from your saved files. To place your custom sign in the drawing, revisit the Traffic Sign button, select your newly created group and sign, then position it in your drawing. If you want to see your sign in 3D, click the 3D Signs and Markings button. Then switch from 2D wireframe to a realistic view. And there you have it, adding standard and custom signs to your road drawings with options to customize and view in 3D, made simple with AutoSign software. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.